Another common issue that comes up is what if I rent my rental property to a family member? And usually what happens is that the rent that's being charged to the family member is less than fair market value. So how does that work? So let's say that your daughter you want to rent your property to your daughter, and the rental fair market value rental is $2,000 a month, and you're renting it to her for $1,200 a month. So it's less than fair market value. So there's a couple issues there. What the IRS says is that if you rent the property to a family member at less than fair market value, then it's considered as a personal use day. So what happens there is if it's a personal use day and you're renting it to your daughter for the whole year, then if you have a loss on that rental property, if you incur a loss, you're not eligible to deduct it because now it's considered a vacation home. So how do we get around? The second issue is you could also be considered as giving a gift to your daughter for the difference between the $2,000 and the $1,200, which would be $800 a month or $9,600 a year. So then you have potential gift tax issues that you have to look at. You're allowed to gift up to $14,000 a year to anyone without having to file a gift tax return. So you'd want to make sure that that gift tax component isn't more than $14,000. And oh, by the way, if you're renting to your daughter for $1,200 and it should be $2,000, you're considered as giving her a gift of $800 and that she paid it back to you in rent. So you're going to pay taxes on the $2,000 anyway. So number one, you got to be careful if it's not at fair market value, because now you may have a personal use days in a vacation home. Number two, you may have gift tax issues. So what's the solution? One option would be to go ahead and have your daughter pay you $2,000 a month and then gift her back the $800 a month. If that's all she could afford, the total for the year would be $9,600, and now it's under the $14,000 annual gifting exclusion, and you really don't have a problem. So that might be one way around the problem.